Okay, welcome back to our live. Official score 37 and 16 for our third quarter game. Change court na tayo. White ball. Let's go. Third quarter.
Luka, hands up! Hands up! Go, recover!
Nasa corner.
Luka, hindi na pwede mag-stay dyan!
Oy, walang tawag.
Luka!
Last touch. Same ball.
Bumaba ka. Over mo yung pagkamay.
NDGM basketball. Pass number 30. Jump shot. Wala.
Radyo, rebound!
Rebound.
Pucha, talon ka kasi ng talon eh.
It's a foul. Same ball tayo. As first team foul for Sandeda. Oh, steal.
Good away!
Here comes number 36.
Wow!
Oh, he gets a foul. On the free throw area. Lady. First shot is
Luka, one
good.
more!
Para kay Luka.
22. Dre! Down! Tama. Sa inyo! Baleso!
Uy, munti ka na. Estagan. Pass to Bignan. Wala. Another rebound for Andre. Steal. Nasa corner. Jam shot. No. Rebound by Andre. Estagan. Para extra pass. Oh, step back too. Miss it. Rebound. Ang big man. Ayan na, ang kabila. Stop and pop. No. Rebound. Rebound pa rin ng mga naka-white shirt. Number 31. Jump shot. Short. Out of bounds.
Go, Luka, bumaba ka! Hey, jogging!
Ayan na, kick out. Jump shot. Bang! Wala. Rebound ng NDGM.
Down, 23.
Number 30. Kick out. Number 18. 4-3. Bang! At nakashoot na rin ng 3 points ang NDGM. Andre Isagon. Dire-diretso. Wala. Rebound. Nabitawan. Steal ng mga naka-white shirt.
Di na yung defense nyo!
Number 18 setting on the screen. Tumira sa tres. Short. Offensive rebound. Walang tawag ang ating referee. Rebound by Isagon. Gets a foul.
Hey, may forward na tayo. Bigyan mo. Katiwalaan mo yan. Leso baba. Labas.
Iago. Finding Isagon. Andre. Sidestep. Wala. Rebound. Number 22. Ayun na ang NDGM. Nagay sa corner. Another steal for San Beda. Here comes Luka.
Good pass.
Oy! Steal. NDGM, number 18. Nagay sa corner. Number 31. Pass to number 22. To number 30. Tumira sa tres. Oy! Humahabol. Ang San Beda. Andre. Isagon. Atake. Ganda ng pasa. Pero may foul muna ang tinawag ang ating referee. 2 shot for Andre Isagon. Time remaining 5 minutes and 39 seconds. Wala pala tayong penalty. Andre ang mag-i-inbound. Sinigay. Number 21. Running shot. Miss it. Rebound ang NDGM. There we go. And that's a... All players off. Na San Beda. Substitution. Time remaining 5 minutes and 7 seconds. Bola rito ng NDGM.
Saan ka dapat pumesto?
Number 18, setting on the screen. Binigay, almost steal. Naka-recover si number 30. Screen, floater, miss. Rebound. Another steal. Number 22, short. Ayan na, wala pa rin. Riva pa rin ang mga naka-white shirt. Number 18, matake. Wala. Wala pa rin. Oopsie. Ay na, binigay kay number 26, tumira sa 3. Uy, umakasok pala yun. Ay na, nagmamadali. Jacob, binigay. Uy. Ayan na. Bola rito ng San Beda. Number 28 looking for teammate. Binigay. Oh, offensive foul.
Pick up! Good! Agad, pinayin niya! Pagkakabit! Jacob, pato! Huwag mo pagkakabit!
NDGM, ow, steal. Ay na, 2 against 2. Number 28 and gets the foul. 2 shots for jersey number 8. First shot for Martin Concepcion. Wala. Second shot is good for Martin Concepcion. Ayun na. Ang NDGM. Number 14, naitawid. Dere-derecho. Nakalusot. Too strong. Uy, block by Gavin. Yan gets the foul nga lang. May foul lang itinawag ang ating referee doon. Oh, correction. That's penalty. Penalty. 2 shots for San Beda. On the free throw area. Number 11. Number 11 ba? Ah, sorry, that's the Martin Concepcion.
Rep, sa parep!
Second shot for Martin.
Rep!
May isa pa!
Basket, nice good.
Pick up!
Oh,
Line!
and that's a step in on the line. for NDGM. Running shot, wala. Rebound. Makuha ng NDGM. Ayan na, dire-diretso. Wala, rebound. Number 34, Apollo. It's a foul. 2 shots for Apollo Tolentino. Jersey number 34. Oh, good. Time remaining 2 minutes and 9 seconds. Apollo Tolentino, wala. Defensive rebound ng NDGM. Oh, that's a trouble. Substitution. Sunday na basketball. Jacob, pass to Tolentino. Oh, sorry, that's a
Polo!
Martin. And an offensive foul.
Jacob, Ray, pag mo patanggapin yan.
Ayun na, may tatawid ba? Nakakatawid.
Sige, pressure. Go!
Setting on the screen, number 18. As number 10. To number 18.
Jacob! Ay, good!
Oh, steal. Ayun na, Jacob. All the way. Wala. Rebound. Apollo. We miss it. Rebound ng NDGM. Number 22. Atake. Uy. And there's a foul.
Atras ka na, atras
Who's
eh.
foul rep? 2 shots para kay number 22.
Jacob, come here.
Basket is good. Kisha score 40-25. Second shot. Go. Good. Rebound by Apollo. Sorry, that's Martin. Martin. Stop and pop. Bayang Martin Concepcion.
Pasang 40 seconds. Dribble ka kasi ng dribble ha. May forward eh. Jacob, di na mo yan. No pull ka dapat.
And out and pass steal by Gavin. Pineda. Nagmamadali. Pinagay. Fake. Uy, what up move by Apollo. Oh, sorry, that's Martin Concepcion.
Jacob, yan na. Umarap ka na. Eh, dinay ka. Aptalay.
Ayun na, makitatawid ba? Nakitawid. Looking for his teammate. Setting on the screen. Change direction. Number 5. Wala. Number 22. Uy. That's a foul. Time remaining. Last 4 seconds. Shooting the line. Jersey number 22 from NDGM. Last 4 seconds. First shot. No. Second shot, miss it. Last 4 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3. Uy, isa pa. Oh. And that's the end of our third period. Fisher score 44-25 in favor of our San Beda Rizal. Okay, fourth and last quarter tayo. Sino kaya magbawagi sa laban ng NDGM versus San Beda Rizal?
Yan na, pinasa ko na sa'yo.
Okay, back to the ball game. We're going to the fourth and last quarter. 44-25. Uy, hindi ka na magawa ni Chan. Bola ng MDGM. Ayan na, sidestep. Ooh, gets the foul. The shots for jersey number 5 of NDGM.
Steve, diyan ka lang.
First shot is good. Second shot, no. Rebound
Go, Dirk. Sige, go.
by Dirk.
Get up.
Dirk, pass to. Gets the 3, no. Rebound. Chan gets the basket by Chan.
Good, Dirk. Good. Good. Good, Dinal.
Ay na, NDGM. Uy! Uy, what a pass! Pero wala. Rebound, number 22. Yes, sir.
Tingnan mo, baka agad.
Pass to Chan. Crossover. Chan. Matake. Too strong. Rebound ng NDGM. Oh, almost steal by Chan.
Rep, hindi na. Hey, white, dito cross ha?
Timeout, NDGM.
Alan, lapit. Toys, lapit. Ano na, tama na yung position na. Pero hindi ko
May na.
ako sa pro at harap ng ulit sa tao. Kasi the bait, so pag may backdoor, at least makikita yung love to be. Kung backdoor, mga kahapon tayo. Ayan, hindi ko masalit na. Dapat ka. Nakaharap ka naman sa kanya. May fight. Sumalit ka doon. Hindi mo lang makalapit. Wala yung ganito na doon. Mas okay sa amin.
Okay, back to the ball game. $18 shot clock.
Dinay! Yan na!
Ayan na. Oh, steal by Chan.
Get!
Na itawid. Number 0, kick out. Fake, nabitawan. Number 22. Wala. Number 6. Get the putback. 46-30. Balik sa 16 ng Kalamangan. Oh. Gets a foul. Chan. Step back three. Wow!
Pick up!
3-point for Chan. Outlet pass number 16. Use their height advantage.
Sinasabi ko sa'yo, hindi mo kasi nakikita.
At may sagot ang NDGM doon. Ayun na, bullet pass. Step back 2. Miss. Rebound. Alan. To Chan. Bounce pass. Steal. Another steal for Chan. Get the shot. Wala. Number 5, fake. Running shot. Basket by Arano.
Kill!
Warning technical for San Beda. Bonus shot for NDGM. Official timeout. Time remaining 7 minutes and 8 seconds. Yan, may konting basa lamang po.
May tulo.
Bata na lang. Hello. Babata na lang sa kanya lang.
Dito wala oh.
Lakas ang tulo ba?
Hey, hey! Wancho! Dion! Dion!
Careful lang muna tayo dito ha. For safety.
Harap ka, yan! Yan!
Official
Tama na!
timeout.
Stop!
Malakas. Okay, technical. Timeout muna daw. Official timeout, coach. Madalas.
Ay, pilitin, baka may injury pa mga players eh.
Sana!
Talikad lang tayo, talikad lang. Ayan, fish. Change court lang muna tayo. Fish.
20-30. Uy, yan. Uy, turn around lang, turn around.
Alright, back to the ball game.
Pick up! Go, Dirk!
Official score, 32-51.
Double pwede. Ay, Dirk! Wala naman sa mga speed.
Setting on the play.
Diyan.
Number 18, pass to number 22. Bounce pass, another steal. For Chan.
Oh, dali, forward!
Oh, it's Alvestre. That's a travel.
Ay, Jeep.
Setting on the screen. Oh, steal by Dion. Chan. All the way. Too strong. Out of bounds. Bola ng NDGM. Setting on the screen. Pass to almost steal. Naka-recover. Number 14. Jump shot. Wala. Number 8. Ayan na ang double team. Nabitawan. It's the foul.
Hey, go! Go! Sama ka.
Ayan na, looking for his teammate. Tinagay. Fake. Pinasa 3 seconds. Violation. Substitution.
Out, everyone!
All players. Of San Beda Rizal for substitution. Four minutes and 53 seconds. Let's go. Andre. Oh, sorry, that's Zafra. To Andre. Setting on the screen. Apollo. To Zafra. Zafra. That's a travel. Bola rito ng NDGM. Good defense. Tinagay. Jump shot. Miss. Rebound by Caleb. Isaga nagmamadali. Andre. Crossover. Andre. Umatake. It's the foul.
Luka! Luka!
Two shot for
Luka!
Andre Isagon.
Beat out! Tumakbo ka ng Yuran!
Sa ending ba to?
Nakita mo yung medic?
Hindi ko pala no. Ay, nandito ka na.
Sino yung yung bata?
Ay, parang wala mo yung nakita ng Benik. Bakit?
Wala mo nakamiskip siya.
Wait lang. Ngayon? Sked?
Down! Luka! Space! Forward! Dre, forward sa right!
Andre, pinasa corner. Jam shot. In and out. Rebound ng NDGM. Number 18. That's the corner. Fake. Oh, almost steal. Uy, nagagawan. Good hustle from both teams. Short. Almost steal by Andre. Andre. Oh, matake. What a fake. What a shot for Andre. Number 18 gets a foul. Number 22.
Tara.
Setting on the screen to number 22. Pass number 14. Running shot. Miss it. Rebound. Makuha ni Andre. Isago. Nagmamadali. Andre. Derecho. Basket na naman for Andre. Isago. Last 2 minutes na ating laban. Ooh, number 24. That's a foul by Andre Sagan. 1 minute and 49 seconds. Number 14 to number 18. Okay, bro, po lang. Oh, that's a travel. Let's go. Sub. Yeah, go. Coming in for Andre. Time remaining 1 minute and 40 seconds. Oy, number 36, miss it. Out of bounds, rebound ng NDGM. Fake. Number 14, pinas sa corner. Catch and shoot, short, rebound. Ay na si Yago. Outlet pass, number 36, get the foul. Ano sa'yo?
Ikaw ba? Magpapasok ka pa.
Ay na. Oy, wala. Anong team sa'yo, bro?
Ano, 20-30. Kaso walang court na nakalagay eh.
Dito yan, dito. Dito na lahat eh. At separate sila. Prada.
Kasi wala ako sa atin. Kasi yung bunda yung naglalap dapat dito.
Ano mas sarap. Dito Prada eh. Dito Prada. Dito Prada. Dito Prada. Okay, sorry but for interrupt. Last 34 seconds. Ay na, 1-on-1. Number 16. Looking for his teammate. To number 30. Oh, good defense by Iago. Number 13, fake. Step back to. In and out. Number 14. With a putback. Last 10 seconds. 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, Zapra for 3. Uy! And that's the end of our game. What a nice game from both teams. Nice game for NDGM, and congratulations to our son Beda Rizal for winning this game. Hey, shout out. And congratulations po. Okay, our final score 55-35. Sa pagtatapos ng ating laban, congratulations po to our son Beda Rizal University. Ayan, maraming pong salamat sa inyong panonood at hanggang sa muli, magkita-kita po tayo for our next live. Ayan, sa mga gustong makapanood ng replay, mapapanood nyo po siya sa aking YouTube channel, and please subscribe. Ayan, ito po sa aking screen.